Hello! In this video, I will show you one of the stadium installation with AVM brand and products. Welcome to AVM Project Departments. Here, we will share you the project undertaken by us or even with collaboration with our dealer, reseller, installer to make the project successful. If you have doubt on our product, if you have doubt on our brand, and you have doubt on AVM, this project may be a good reference for you to make up your mind. This Stadium Batu Kawan project Penang was undertaken by our agent years ago, and we would love to share it to you again. This system is far from a proper PA system should be in the stadium, which could cost about more than millions of ringgit for that kind of proper system. However, the requirement for this project is very simple. They just need a simple system to cover a small area. The PA system need to able to handle a small crowd and not a full stadium crowd. The coverage area is limited to selected seating area and not towards the field or across the field. With this in mind, we propose the following system into Stadium Batu Kawan. 12 units of RX10 speakers from IVA was installed and distributed in a very even system. So each of the seating area, there's one unit of this speaker to cover that particular seating. This model is the Mark 1 version, and now we have the Mark 2 version, which sounds better and more durable. And then powering these speakers is the M7.0 Mark 2. We have 3 units of that to power total of 12 units of RX10 speaker. And then each of the power amplifier is being tuned by an equalizer by IVA as well. And in this case, the model is EQ231. And to ensure we get the similar signal from the mixers to get across the power amplifier and the EQ, we are using one signal splitter, which is the IVA DA328, to ensure that all the power amp and the EQ receive similar good and high quality audio. And then we have a compressor limiter by Behringer, which is the MDX2600. This is the most important equipment for this system because for such a big venue and a small system, it is very easy for the operator to mishandle the system. They also operating the system inside the room. If let's say you are operating in the field, you can listen back to your speakers and you can tune accordingly. So we have this kind of risk that the operator may overdrive the system, and that is why the MDX2600 is very important to ensure the proper limiter and the setting can be set to the speaker system. Of course, we are proposing the UHF wireless mic by IVA as well, the Pro UD2 vocal set. This is a very good wireless mic. It's a top of the line from IVA. They have a good coverage, about 80 meters of coverage in empty spaces. The sound quality is top notch as well. But for such big scale projects, we doesn't want to take any risk regarding the transmission between the transmitter and the receiver. And that is why we are adding the Relacat antenna divider, the R14D, you can see from the pictures. Not in the picture is a shark fin type of antenna system by Relacat as well, the R22AU. So we install 2 of these antenna system outside the room, and the antenna is being directed to the stand and the field. In reality also, there is a lot of variables interference which could be coming from the walkie-talkies, or even in a larger scale of a sporting event. Radio station, TV station may come down and have a live broadcasting. And even the MC could be out of control. He can walk anywhere to the blind spot. That is why so many uncertainties that could be happening. And this is why it's very important that we strengthen the RF using the Relacat antenna system. We have a video taken by our staff, which he happened to be on site when we are doing the testing and commissioning. So let me share to you. Let's take a look.
这个就是 weight 了。
So that was it, the video being shared to us. And according to the video and to the voices in the video, they mentioned that the bang 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 sound is due to the losses of signal. Hope you get some idea on this stadium project. If you have a doubt on our brand, products, and our capability, hopefully this will give you more confidence. We have completed many stadium projects in the past, and I will be sharing you more about this kind of stadium installation in the future video. Subscribe so you won't miss it. That's all for today, and I will be seeing you in the next video. And bye bye.